And you've seen smiles on my face because the cars I'm about to show you in a sec is crazy. Look at the Barracuda. So beautiful in the shade of Miami blue. What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. And you've seen smiles on my face because the cars I'm about to show you in a sec is crazy. Behind the scenes action with Ruel. We got the Impala SS sitting on some Corvette wheels. Custom Exes car, shout out to Nev. Got the only Mach 1 in the country, 351 V8 manual left-hand drive. And we got my boy Samir's Barracuda. The big block supercharged V8. Look at those wheels. Got the custom Foose wheels straight out of a TV show. I don't know if anyone knows, but Chip Foose used to have his own TV show. I remember seeing these wheels as a kid on all these cars. So just gonna head out and enjoy the rest of the show, boys.
Just a touch, baby. I look around, see the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, I can see the sun light up the sky, so I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, but I'm like this, you're the one I just. I'm just coming back to let you know I can never say it on the phone. They'll never let you go this time. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
So we got the first, I guess, 718 GT4 in the country. Here it is, boys. So beautiful in the shade of Miami blue. The wheels, the kit, everything is so on point. So on point. GT3 over here, XFR, M5, F10. That one actually makes about 800 horsepower. Beautiful XFR, GT3, GT4, C63, another GT4, and a 911. And of course the muscle cars back there. Here we got my buddy Socket.
Hi.
Cameraman on the go. Nirmit.
Hi.
Look at the Barracuda. So dope. Like I said, this is the only Mach 1 in the country. Manual, V8, 351. So we're gonna go check out this random Santro, limited edition with one headlight. No, I'm kidding. Oh, this DPI. Damn, nicely done up. Oh, and we got Moen by. Let's go back to check. Oh, damn, such too much. Who? With the BBS CHRs. Oh my. Yeah, this has to be the sickest Polo I've ever seen in Mumbai. So dope. Remix exhaust. Damn. So dope. Got a little custom. I don't know about the interior, bro. So we're gonna meet up with some of the boys now. Earlier today, we met up with Imi, my boy Imran, and the Impala, riding in Custom X's Impala. My boy Samir was out in the Kuda. It's my boy Shalim with the latest pickup. His Mach 1 Mustang Fastback. Only one in the country. Actually, all these cars are probably one in the country. Impala, probably not. But the spec game, obviously one in the country. All of Custom X's cars are one of one, obviously. Obviously, the Kuda and the Mustang are definitely one of one. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that bit. Now we're going on to our regular program. Sunday drive. We had a very interesting morning. Yeah. We were in the Prado. Had to switch it up, you know, we got some heat, but we good. Yeah, we're in the S right now, just headed. Typical Sunday drive. So let's see how it goes, see who shows up. What's your name?
I'm Shobit.
Shobit?
Yeah.
I think you messaged me, right?
Yeah, I just sent you that meme last night.
yeah, I like it. Guys, so we're in the S class right now. 90 liters of fuel, and I was on reserve, not even like fully reserve. Almost 90 liters, almost 8 grand. And I'm not even filling, this is not even 99, I'm just putting regular petrol in. 8 grand of fuel on the S class. Not even a 500, not even a 350, this is a 300. Pushing that matchbox, leading the way. Oh shit! 6x6, made in Thailand.
Come with free lap massage.
Ooh. Free happy ending with every Hot Wheels. Oh, sorry, Matchbox. Damn, sick. Who's are these for?
Me.
क्या करेगा इतना लेके?
बच्चा है मैं.
So hope you guys enjoyed that Sunday drive. Comment below on what was your favorite muscle car. Whether you like the Impala with the big block Chevy V8. If you like the Mach 1, completely bone stock, completely original. Only one in the country, only one in Southeast Asia. Who knows? It's a really rare car to begin with in other countries, and if it happens to be here, it's a Mach 1, you know, fastback, pretty cool. Manual, left-hand drive. So, you know, I'm already a fan of that because, you know, I love my manuals and I love my left-hand drives because of the Nissan. Anyways, once again, thanks again for helping us grow to 20,000 subscribers. Well, thank you as well. Keep editing the videos, making it look dope. Go ahead and like this video. And believe it or not, 1 out of 4 people who watch this video, who are watching this video right now, are not even subscribed. Like, just go ahead and just
it's free.
It will take you literally 2 seconds of your time, and it will make such a big difference for us. So, and go ahead and share. That will take a little more time, you know, maybe like 10 seconds or something. But, you know, go ahead and share with all your friends and family, your neighbors, your sister, your brothers. Just go share it. So a lot more to come. Stay tuned. Everyone's like, oh, what's gonna be next? Is it an AMG? you know what, for right now I might hold on getting another car. Like, you know, I have this with me right now, the S Class. I have the 300, which is going to be a sick upcoming, you know, paint job and look that we're going with. The paint that we chose, Ruel, how is it?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
It's gonna break the internet. That's gonna be dope. And we got the Prado. I might get rid of the Prado, get something bigger SUV wise. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. You know, see you guys soon, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share.